Sanibonani ma Africa mahle, sanibonani ma South Africa mahle. This is Jabu Mahlangu from Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringers bafethu this week ivikile derby, big game. Orlando Pirates versus Kaizer Chiefs, and namhlanje on this episode kahle kahle sizohlafuna ukuthi sibona kanjani thina this highly anticipated game. I mean, this game ibe sold out in less than 72 hours. Kahle kahle, in less than hours, the 24 hours, it was already hours. It was already sold out. So abantu bazimisele, it's highly anticipated. Before sizoringa sihlafune umbono wethu ukuthi sibona kanjani le derby this coming weekend, this coming Saturday. Angihambi ngiyi-1 bafethu ngivana no sense of knowledge. Ntwana ha kunjani lapho?
Ngirehe bafo
Uphuphe kabi mfethu unga hey angekho mnandi kabi. Angihlanganela ngiphuphe kabi mfethu. Mara ngithandazile mangiceda ukuvuka.
ile game or uziphuphela into zami.
Ngiziphuphela into zami.
Okay.
Yeah. Otherwise,
Ngimnandi Dona nami ke ngilochise igama lami uSibusiso wakaMahlangu aka Sense of Knowledge, your co-host on Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Mntwana, big weekend. Weekend enkulu ntwana in South African football calendar.
yo
Ku rough kakhulu.
yo
Rough. People have been waiting for this game for far too long. Finally, it's here. Both teams have been doing well throughout the season. Kaizer Chiefs has picked up their standards, so I guess that's one of the reasons why people are looking forward to this game. And also, Pirates are pushing the Sundowns for the league. So it's a different derby altogether for me.
Ay ntwana bafethu ningakhohlwa to share, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates ezeJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Before sithi siyangena eshowini manje ngithi ngikhuluma no Sense, uPhat Khumafani uyangifonela mfethu now.
Amtshele siyashuta mfana, umtshele ukuthi indoda ku rough Phat Khumani. Awumazi umuzi ukuthi uthini mfethu, ngizame ebukhona ngakutshela wona.
Okay, ngizakhuluma naye seyiphelile seyidropekile, it's fine. Ntwana, it's a big game ntwana for both teams. 3 points at stake, and it's a big 3 points ekumele both teams ebayidinga. Chiefs iyayidinga because bana 30 points manje, they are sharing ama points ne Amazulu. Amazulu is number 5 with 30 points. So Chiefs win. If Chiefs wins this coming Saturday, yoba na 33, and then izojumpa isikhukhune iye ku number 3. If Pirates win, they go back to number 1. And into engishayayo ukuthi, and what is very interesting coming to this game when namdlalo ukuthi both teams coming kule derby, they've lost their previous 2 games in a row. Chiefs lost against Zamalek Confederation 2-1, and they lost again to Stellenbosch 2-1 at home this time, which was bad. At home, and Stellenbosch, remember, knocked them. Ibakhiphile ku
Nedbank Cup,
2 weeks ago,
yeah.
And and they were the defending champions, Kaizer Chiefs as a Nedbank. So we are going to have a new champion ku Nedbank. But but what I'm trying to say, Orlando Pirates now coming to this game, they lost 2 games in a row. They lost to Ilen Kombos.
They lost to Sundowns.
They lost to Sundowns 2-1, and then they also lost to
Kasrik.
Esga Bucks ubaba umthombeni. Yeah, we understand. Yeah. And they couldn't score against the lower division team Orlando Pirates for 120 minutes. We bona kanjani le derby mfana le, because normally kunokuthiwa I derby and namnyazi I derby awujudge kakhulu ngama previous results or both teams ukuthi badlale kanjani nani. I derby on the day, whoever that creates the more scoring opportunities, whoever uzoba composed, whoever uzoba clinical, and whoever also uzoba more disciplined in terms of technical discipline and tactical discipline, uye normally also win a game for this coming game. But both teams on this coming Saturday ecampini umoya uphansi. What will be the approach ntwana for both teams regarding lento esishoyo yokuthi both teams they lost 2 games in a row
Yeah, Ntwana,
coming to this one?
lento ekhulumayo, it's a psychological factor leyo coming into this game because both teams immoral it's a bit low.
Yeah.
Confident player, it's a bit low. It's all about the preparations. Manje kula after the game le abayiluzile le Kaizer Chiefs eStellenbosch, it's how do they come back?
Yeah.
Normally they say Maui champion, it's how you come back. It's not how many times you fall, but how many times you get up. So with this game, baluzile, Pirates lost, Kaizer Chiefs lost. Immoral, natural would be low. Confident would be low on players. They're asking themselves, but like you just said now, it's a totally different game. I've never watched it, but I've never played it, but I've watched it plenty of times. I've been to the stadium plenty of times to watch it derby, and the nerves that one gets as a standing abukele le. Mina as a soccer player ngiyazibuza ukuthi le ntwana lezi mazilapha egroundini ntwana, you've played the game. Mawulapha egroundini ama nerves anjani. So it's that you're coming from 2 defeats back to back, and then you are going to a big game like this one with a low morale, low confidence. As a coach, it's your job with manje azwenzeni udlale ngesayikhi yama player motivation intwana. I see the tactics.
Yeah.
I see in
yeah.
it's motivation.
Yeah.
My player going into this game because now I know it's 3 points. We got to go calculate manje my point ukuthi ame kanjani. But I don't think fans manje they're thinking points. It's the pride. Yala ma team lawo.
Kahle.
Pride intwana. Ama points sizowakhumbula maybe after next
game.
week ukuthi
Hayi usho kanjani next week mfethu or after game?
sengiyakhuluma nje masohleli phansi calculating the points. Hey, we lost the points there and there. They do matter obviously. I mean 3 points at the end of the day.
So are you saying in this derby akuna favorite coming to this Saturday ntwana?
Mina akuna favorite.
I still feel Pirates they are.
Football wise ntwana,
Yeah.
Pirates are a better team.
Yeah.
They are
yes,
a better team.
Yes.
Because they have really scoring. They are playing enterprising football. Kaizer Chiefs, remember, we've said it, we've been saying like over and over again what they are building this season.
Yeah.
But they've done well for themselves.
Yes.
If
So
you
far.
sit down, you watch them, they've done well for themselves according to where they were in the past 10 years up until this season. This season, they are better. But kuyo le 10 years engikhuluma ngayo, when it comes to derby, they've always messed Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
The scoreline will come 2-1, 1-0, and so like you said, ama results, ama stats, none, they don't count when it comes to derby.
But as we home game Kaizer Chiefs, this derby, it's a Kaizer Chiefs home game, and they just lost their home game against the Steelers, 2-1. Take us through at least that game, the last game Kaizer Chiefs against the Steelers, because I felt Guti, Kaizer Chiefs defensively they've been doing very well until until manje. They've considered
4 in the last 2 games.
They've considered 4 goals
Yeah.
in the last 2 games.
Yeah.
We understand, and they scored 2. Ithini isho ukuthini leyo nto le performance le, as much as sishilo ntwana ukuthi motivation no tactics nana, but you should worry ngama era enwayenzile the previous game coming
yes,
to a big game like
need
this.
to fix, yes.
You need to fix.
Yeah.
Chiefs mele ilungise kuphi?
The Kaizer Chiefs, like you say, one of their strengths this season was that they were not conceding goals. But if you look at the 2 previous goals, kusho ukuthi sebaqala bayaqeka manje. 2 games seba conceded 4. Uyangithola kusho ukuthi sekukhona la baqala khona ukuqeka emuva. And then they are not improving phambili ngokuscore.
Yeah.
Which is when it becomes a big problem now. If you're conceding and awukori, then the position that they are in now, bazodropa ntwana. because teams will score. Teams will score like the previous game. It's Kaizer Chiefs created chances. Last season they were doing the same, creating chances, not converting them. It's continuing. At least this season, they were scoring that one goal, but they were not conceding. Bebavalile move. But manje sebaqala bayavula a move, of which is a big problem. And if you were to look at fixing something, I think they need to fix the backline yabo. Number one, they need to know who must play there, because they've changed in the past maybe 3 games. We've had Simango coming back and play. We've had Lomfana Lowaramakhat coming back and play that centre back. We've had Umigos, Miguel.
Yeah.
And then Ukunika has been a present figure kula game. We muthi ngathi beba consistent ngaye lapha ku centre back.
Yeah.
So they need to find a perfect combination.
But Miguel no Quinik, I don't know what's going on with Miguel. But mhlawumbe ulimele or any we try to check as bonanga kahle. Because you're right, changing kakhulu center back is a back four nje yonke. Sometimes it becomes a problem. It works.
You have a consistent back four, one. You can't be changing and chopping.
But the thing is, the interesting part with Orlando Pirates, yona, aside in life, they've been changing. I'm a back four. I mean, it against the Marumo Kalansi, they had to Van Rooyen, UCM, UCBC, Undaba. You understand? And then against the Sundowns, they had to Sibilibili on the right. Van Rooyen was out. They kept to Siema, UCBC. They keep Undaba, Bafagu Hot. And I can understand the approach of coach Lamina. Sibilibili is an all-rounder. He can play as a wing, he can play as a lento, and he can run.
Yes.
And Uhoto, ever ready. Siyazi ukuthi is a machine. As much as Undaba njengobushile he's been doing well, but manje I think la bekafuna more abantu abane speed and
can also defend
defend against a team Mamelodi Sundowns, but it didn't work out for Orlando Pirates in terms of their approach. And also they had Umaswangai coming in, good number 10.
Before we move to back for Ntwana, if you look, the most important aspects of the game, it's your spine. A spine meaning the goalkeeper, the 2 centre back, the central midfielder, and the striker. Once Ilentuzani spine suppose is strong enough, then you grand. So if you look at what you just told me now with the back four Orlando Pirates, the most consistent players who have been there playing consistently, Usiema and Usibisi.
Yeah.
So when they change Masai team.
Yes.
Change the Masai team. Sibilibili out, Van Rooyen in, Hocho out, Ndaba in.
Yeah.
But Laba by 2, they always kept them.
Yeah.
And which helps them with Basaleba. But Kaizer Chiefs, the problem is that Bachentela Papagati. And I remember with Uchayine, Ulontuzane, Usibisi, no Lontuzane, Siema. Ni communication, understanding, same thing with Ukunika, Miguel, no goalkeeper.
Yeah,
Peterson. They had the understanding, the communication, so I understand that. But now someone comes in every game, Gubanale inconsistency, and hence we will consider Amagols Ganji. So my advice to them is to try and get the 2 centre backs, even consistent lapi.
Yeah, but manje futhi my worry mina Pirates again ukuthi against the Kasrik they didn't score.
Yeah.
120 minutes and our time zokutshela we have to give credit to Kasrik. They did very well. Iplane yabo, that low block and be compact and whenever they'll have that opportunity a counter, they will try to hit the Orlando Pirates, but they were not that dangerous now against the Orlando Pirates. But what they told themselves is, if the Pirates are Ikori, maybe Tina Sngaltolili one goal. So let's frustrate them and let's make sure we have a goal. And they went all the way 120 without scoring. I was disappointed for me to have to see player njengo okay, he started a new lineup. De Jong came in because maybe okay, see, we are playing against a lower division team. Asim Kairan, Umaswangai Begakhona, Murimi came back into the starting lineup. Mfukeng was there, and then Umakaula came back, and then Chabatane also came back pairing Nosibisi Lapana. Van Rooyen came back. Sibilibili was out now from this previous game. Mamelodi Sundowns. I think that consistent Orlando Pirates a mover. They've been doing it for some games, but they will get away with it and win.
Yeah.
So, but manje coach Mila Atole Usibisi, no Chabatane, no Siema. Those are central midfielders. We bona kanjani wena i-lineup azoyibeka kule game ezayo le.
Mina i-lineup mfana ngizoyicala ngikubekele yona from phambili ngingayicala emuva. Ngicala phambili. I will go back with i-lineup coach Bekalo wacala ngayo vele. I start ngomfukeng. Ngiye ngo-Apolis. Ngithi ngibuya ngoTito Maswanganyi noMbuthuma la.
So,
Ne,
okay.
this game mntwana, and why I'm mentioning the attackers, ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu nge-character yama players. Le game idinga i-character mntwana. This game le.
Yeah.
Idinga ama-player, player eliwuclever, elisigebengu, eline-confident, ezotshela ama-player with guys asilandeni labantu. And for me, that player for Orlando Pirates is Tito Maswanganyi.
But the problem yeah, Tito has that character. Lapo, I
He's got
agree.
a PMT
Mdladla,
ntwana.
I agree with you. But my question is, Mfukeng agabi effective Maga Society. Maybe this Saturday he can change now, be more effective. But that's where you are because Tito Vele, you can't play Tito because you can be skillful, but you must be quick. Tito is not quick. So Vele really for me he struggles when he plays from the side. So for me I was thinking ukuthi really akahlali la ngaphakathi mfethu.
Yeah.
Yabo, then uTito angangena maybe second half. Uyangithola. And then you put Muremi speed, you put Apolis. Even for that matter, Umsendani.
Yeah.
I know he hasn't started a lot of games. You can start him instead of Muremi mhlawumbe. Ungamqala nalomfana Umsendani. Because he's quick, he's skillful, he's direct.
I mean, I would go with a tried and tested for this game, Mtwana.
And a striker for me, I will start with Nwanasisi on this one. Ngambeka ngaphandle
I can
uMbuthuma.
agree with you on that one.
Ngambeka ngaphandle uMbuthuma mina Mdladla kule, ngiqala ngoNwanasisi kule.
No, I'm peace, Mtwana. That's how you see it. Even our viewers at home, as we are talking, someone is saying, Ubani. No. I mean, I would go. We've got different opinions on who will go or who would do best.
Because
on the day.
Nwanasisi I know ukuthi Chiefs defense. You also inikeza ispan.
But they are similar players in terms of hard work.
No, but
Nwanasisi
Mahopa has more. But Mahopa, yes, he's not. Umbuthuma is not a lazy player, but Mahopa has more work rate.
Okay.
More.
Yeah.
A bit more.
A bit more.
Yeah, he's got
Maybe
a bit
with his
more.
experience as well. Because
And with
he's
his
played these
experience
games
and
as
he's
well.
played Amadabi before Umbuthuma Futi. Maybe I'll prefer to start him.
I am Piggy Lapo, but as I said, Nzukala tried and tested Paris that has been scoring goals, that has been doing well for them. And again, I wouldn't Piggy, but I will say, Urile. Njengoba usho ukuthi wena umprefera la phakathi. I think yes, he's very good lapha phakathi.
He's exceptional. He's not
good. For this game,
he's exceptional. He's not good. He's exceptional.
But he's been playing on the sides, Jabu.
No,
coming in. Or
the
when
only
he comes inside,
the only time Ntwana is against Sundowns. Remember, he won 3 men of the match in a row. He scored, I think, 3-4 goals.
Yeah.
Coming to he gave me Sundowns, playing as a number 10. Then against Sundowns, Maswanganyi took that role and he played as a winger. He couldn't. I Azanga the Pirates anything. I was doing that game actually, FNP. First half, he didn't even touch the ball, really. The whole of 45 minutes in a big game like Sundowns. Because big players, if you don't perform in big games, then we have a problem.
Exactly.
We can say good umnandi, yes, umnandi, but if you don't perform in big games as a big player, now we have a problem. But I felt that time ukuthi ucoach wenze plan should have just left, stayed nomfukeng laphayana. He's assisting. He can also pull ala window ngala pass wakhe lawanzima kakhulu. Yes, uTito na is very creative when he get the space where uyashaya 1-2. I mean, he's been scoring good goals adlala 1-2, coming on as a second, coming as an impact player second half. That's where I was coming from. Engakulwisi, but uthi umfukeng for mina angimfuni mina esayidini. Yes, he can play because he's a good player, because he's smart. He's got football brain.
I feel he's more effective makalapha.
I feel what is more effective magaphakathi mina, like more effective and more dangerous. And look at the goal he scored ngenhloko against I think Marumo Gallants. Because he scored that because he was playing in number 10. But if he was playing in number 11, he was not gonna have that space angene between the central defenders and attack that space maba cross. But maka in number 10, uba naleyo luxury also, to have those space to run behind or in between of the defenders and get the goal ngeheader. But maka it's a problem. Maybe kule game because uzabanga angabhekananga mhlambe nomndawo. Mhlambuzo ngoba lo mndawo umfakele ukushisa. But asikho lapho.
I just feel nje ukuthi intwana urile can play any position up front kulama attacking position. It's an issue ukuthi urile big games he disappears.
Yeah.
I don't think it's an issue of position for me.
Yeah, so right.
I think he doesn't rise.
Yes.
Because expectations are high.
Too high.
So I think he needs to work on his mentality. Someone needs to help him psychologically, prepare him for such games. Young Joel, that's what I feel. I feel he can play any position up front.
And then in Kaizer Chiefs, who do you go with? Because sikhulumile ngokwinika, I mean the way they were conceding a corner against Stellenbosch, Ukwinika looked like he was all over the place. He was out of position. I mean the second goal, Stellenbosch, he was there, and I felt ukuthi la beka khona la tekila khona futhi he was late. And then where was the central defenders there, the central midfielders there? Because Bono bal lapha ithingibheke mdlala ngifuna ukwenza imistake.
Ngizakutshela what happened lapha.
Bekunongcobo noMabuye.
Mabuye bese bamkhiphile.
uMabuye bese bamkhiphile.
Bese
kusele ucele nobani no ama two central nongcobo ngisho.
Yeah, I remember what happened before that goal came. Chiefs made four
substitution.
Bakhipha uMabuye.
Yeah.
Ne? Mabakhipha uMabuye.
Bayilahle lapho.
They are looking for a goal angithi. So right back here, Chiefs, Solomons was pushing, and he was not coming back. I saw before that goal came, he was pushing up and not coming back. It forces Ukwinika to go wide. Ayo cover ngapha.
Yes.
So lela goal maliza lela Ukwinika wenzani? He tried to cover. He's following the player. He's tackling. So it Chiefs the defense bese disjointed. Bese bahlakazekile nje lapha emuva nje. They did not keep the structure same. Because they are searching for a goal, of which is a big problem. If you are chasing a game, also play in a structure.
Can you really take 4 players same time and put 4? I mean, I feel good to carry game pants, Bella. 4.
Yeah, because even the players that you put in is too much.
Ntwana, 4. Ntwana is too much. Ntwana, uchase game, ufaka 4, ukipa 4 manje, ngena 4 manje. Like ukala pants yonke, So I think the co-coaches as the Kaizer Chiefs, they've got it wrong there.
Exactly.
They've got it wrong. Yes, we understand you chase the game, you want to win, but you can't put 4 players, and the worst part keep an engine. Mabuye was solid there.
Exactly.
He was very solid there. He will help whenever they attack, but he was more on the defensive side, and he was keeping that structure as a Kaizer Chiefs better. I mean, look at this the Skulmeng second goal, but look at the first goal yakapili. The defense also Ukwinika, it's Kwinika, McCarthy,
yeah.
and Marco, ne? They were ball watching. Brilliant pass, similar pass yaga Mudiba. I nigeze Ulion Makakora against the Paris. That pass there. Utitles same pass mdlali. Ukwinika no McCarthy, they were not marking anyone. Upili is a winger. He comes from that side. He's a winger. And get Ebola empty net.
Shy positioning.
Bad positioning from Kaizer Chiefs defense. Bad communication. There was no communication at all. And they were all facing their own goals. You know, Upili Magasha, that equalizing goal, that first goal. So Kaizer Chiefs need to fix their defense. Coming to this Saturday, because labafana be Pirates ba inkinga laba mauzo zoba nama era aso kunga communicate on time, and I don't understand sometimes. Peterson he's been a good goalkeeper. He's been having a lot of clean sheets, 12 clean sheets. What at some point before Sundowns he had 5 clean sheets in a row going to the game against Sundowns, which is good, but he needs to command. I don't see him when a goal is scored against him. And the mistake Emma backline. I don't see him fighting
talking to the player
and going to the defender and say Nyankawata, come on, like the likes of Ito Milen Kune, Brian Balo, they used to do. In fact, Agu Shuguti, Mawen's mistake, Bakora, goalkeeper Mageza Gue, Sishugutu ya peta. But goalkeeper Yakboni Suguti, yes, Suguti Manje Uyankawata, and Unkawati. But it looks like goalkeepers nowadays, even Uchain, he's been doing well because the Pirates bebanga attacking cool because beba defender very well. But now my toilet team tester they don't command. They still keep quiet. They don't anticipate. Amachiti backline utecho yo ufuli le bantu Solomon ungasakhuphuki. Peterson for example kule incident goal 1 goal number 2 Stellenbosch. Don't go.
Yes, it's there. It's the communication.
Talk, because the goalkeepers can see the game better than the players inside.
Exactly.
So they need to improve also their communication skills. Uronwen, he demands their defense to do right things, and he makes sure if there's an error, a threatnisha goal or bamkoring error, you will see he still goes to Abu Kekan. No, come on in Abakuta. You still win. You can't have. You can't
be soft as a goalkeeper.
You can't be soft as a goalkeeper.
Yeah. Because they have lento le melusanye kancane.
Okay, sharp twana sikhulumile. What should we expect manje? Siyekile ukuthi okay, we spoke about their previous games.
Yeah.
Both teams are not happy with the results. Both teams, they lost 2 games in a row. Both teams are out in the cup. West Pirates Kitwe, a lower division team. So how are we approaching this game? I saw Ethan Chislet, which is against Stellenbosch. Bamnikezi role. Yeah, bamnikezi role yaga number 10. I can see ukuthi there's something lapana. Ngiyabona ukuthi out yalazi ibhola. Uyabona idinga vele obviously isikhathi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuadapta nokuthi naye adapt to I football PSL as a whole, because remember my foreigner, you must adapt to PSL. You must also adapt to the club's philosophy. But before siya lapho mina starting lineup as a Kaizer Chiefs bengifuna ukuya kuso in this game. For mina back 4 ngafaka uMuyani number 2, Kwinika no McCarthy. If Miguel is available, I can put Kwinika and Miguel. Ne? And then put Marco there. McCarthy angahlala kancane ebenchini umnandi. I'm not angisho la 11. And then phakathi ngithi Mabuye ngithi ngithi Matlo
ulimele.
oh ulimele ne
Yeah.
ngithi Mabuye ngithi Cele nya stabilize
Yeah.
then la phambili obviously uthi Lilepo you know I can start mina honestly speaking I can start mina ngo-Obrigado on the left on the right cutting in
Okay.
ngathi Lilepo ngithi
Lilepo on the left.
Lilepo on the left Obrigado
Obrigado.
on the right
Yeah.
maybe la uChislet because ngedabi yakhe sani i-team idliwe 2-1 but I saw something lapho ukuthi obviously given more games and more opportunities I think he's got something but for this game mhlambe ngambeka ngaphandle maybe ngithi Silva phambili lapha ku number 10 ngithi Mdu yeah ngithi Mdu that can be that's my lineup mina engingacala ngayo coming to this game before sesikhuluma general ukuthi what should we expect because we touched on lineup Pirates
And the player to look out for Kaizer Chiefs impact player like uthi yabona leli yilo maybe kule game leli ngacarry Kaizer Chiefs.
alikho all of them they must carry Kaizer Chiefs
I know but I'm saying
Aye,
who do
bana.
you think is Ntwana
I don't
who is their Messi, who's their Cristiano Ronaldo?
akekho Ntwana the whole team needs to be on top of their game if on the day one player raises his hands and rise above the others let it be but okwamanje I can't go Kaizer Chiefs with all due respect let them focus on winning as a team on the day individual brilliance it must come from obviously we expect abomdu njengoba ngisho ukuthi mina ngamcala lo mfana omncane Obrigado why not abonkota abombokazi it's his age group they've been starting ku Orlando Pirates why not I can start him let's see ukuthi naye ukuphi asimbone naye kuphi angisho njalo simfaka ngama second half even ngama big games and you can see makangena he wants to do something kuna something afuna ukuyenza la mfana ne asimqale naku nami Chiefs yangidlalisa my first derby I mean I was 18 turning 19 my first season azange bathi isizini yakhe yokuqala nge-first derby bathi simbeke ebenchini siyamazi uyavula they put me in
Just
they
a
put
question.
me in there
Yes, but
and I performed even if I didn't
But I'll
score
ask you a
but
question.
I perform I show them ukuthi I'm the guy for big games also
But I'll ask you a question. Lento ukuthi umfundo simqala. We've been saying it. I think there's a few games abamqalile ngawo did he perform?
It's so
Yeah.
it's ngibeke so ngomfundo yes bamzamile ku wing
Yeah.
bamzama some of the CAF games which I felt it was wrong ukumzama ku number 10 nge-CAF
Okay.
and you play away abo Zamalek none you can't bekumele amqale la local ku number 10 continuously
Yeah.
you understand because some of the games is number 10 awadlalile bekuwa CAF games and the CAF is different ball game you don't play nice football there you grind the results that's CAF football we are years now that's CAF football so namanje ukumbeka ku left yes he can interchange nomdu or die umdu ngithe angacala ku number 10 but ababe free in fact mina no Stiga I mean when we were playing I was playing more on the left and then yes Stiga will play middle in but we will change sometimes Stiga dlala right wing dlala left wing after 10 minutes Stiga how's that man uqinile lo muntu
I think Musa.
uStiga uqinile man uqinile ngithathe athi ngimthambise awuze kulo lo sekathambile that's Kaizer Chiefs that's the character of Kaizer Chiefs players and Orlando Pirates players we understand
Big word lapho character Ntwana.
yes whereby nathi ama play ucoach asisambali ucoach la akangeni indawo yimi no Stiga esithi Ntwana unjani loyo uyangibamba if le ntwana zingaba nayo asinayo lento le
Same thing the Pirates.
No, that's why
and a police they should do the same thing.
yeah naye uMaswangayi even if uMaswangayi uqalile noma mina joba ngisho ngithi bengimprefera ngene sokona vini this game it's fine if uqalile uMaswangayi I love him he's a talented player he can unlock any defense anytime but it seems like abana lento le yesijita le ukuthi Estiga Stiga, are you fine with
Yeah.
that Mahlangu there? I see he's giving you problems there. Stiga, let me deal with him. This one now is this one is alright. Lo sengimthambisile Stiga. Lo seka right. Mawufika kulo nje hayi ufike nje uthi uzovela uhambe. We understand.
Abotlef uyantwana.
John,
Funakala le game ifuna le nto.
then we will do that. And Umushin sometimes he'll be shocked ukuthi we taking decisions on the pitch without him consulting him, but
you still keep the structure
but
of
we
the
keep,
team.
but we
System the same.
no, we keep everything the same.
It's very
Yes,
important.
yes, no, we
Yeah.
keep the same. So I think gents from both teams, Machita we Paris, now Sundown, now Chiefs. This game. Nintwana zasekasi man bafethu.
Yeah,
Ngidlalile kasi.
Funa lo.
Anikele lento kumamela abo coach why. I-structure masikhona ningasilahli i-structure as a team. Mfethu ukuthi team mele i-attack kanjani and i-defend kanjani mayiluza ibhola. Gents, if uyabona ukuthi iplayer lithize lela player lela elimakumfukeng or lela player elimakhutito wena ungalimunya ungalithambisa man tshela uTito tshela umfukeng man
Yeah.
tshela uObrigado or tshela umduodai ukuthi man letha lo muntu la ngikuthambisele yena man awudile na we understand it must be football gents asikeleni ukuba stereotype man gents ngiyazi ukuthi abo coach they want that, but if you do that and the coach they see that you also taking responsibility during the game and you still do the right thing, you keep the structure, there's no coach that will fight you for that.
As long as you still play
When
within
we
the
yabona lo
system,
muntu
coach,
kumakile mfethu kumakile
Uhleli naye.
uhleli naye one way mfethu so
Okay, sesicedile boy.
yeah so
Alright,
uthini ntwana kule game mina I think for this game I still see draw. I don't want to say that, but I see draw. I'm just hoping akube draw yamagoli because there's a lot at stake. Chiefs wants to get to number they want 3 points ukuthi bazoba number 3 and then Pirates wants to go to number 1.
But what it draw helps the Sundowns, ne?
Sundowns
Sundowns are hoping for a draw at least, or Kaizer Chiefs win.
or Kaizer Chiefs win.
Yeah, because they don't want to lose Orlando Pirates. So there's a lot at stake in fact, but Namang Ipega, a lovely draw with goals, yeah.
Perfect. Siyabonga, that was Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Besihlafuna nje kancane indaba ezedabi mfethu umbono wethu the previous results and ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi game izodlala kanjani. So both teams babuya kuma 2 defeats. The spirit is low ema campaign both. Usenzo ushilo what this game as a Maui coach you just deal ngesayikhi yamachita and you will want I'm a player and a character strong based on our results for both teams because our komahle we can't say hey lay team is a ivuta Chiefs are my favorite or Pirates are my favorite. They lost 2 of their games coming to this game. So let's see who's going to rise this coming Saturday between Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs. Please Bafetu, don't forget to share, to like and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates as a Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. Shuffling Tiski Ringers. Bafethu, sibonane FNB ziyasha ke udabula isikhindi khona manje country ngapha half black and white, half black and gold. Danko.
It's a rap, Ntwana.